YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife. And I'm back again with another video. I have a huge unboxing. I mean, this is insane. Look how big this box is. You wouldn't believe the size of the little bag inside of this giant box, but I will tell you it's Louis Vuitton and the packaging is incredible, which is why I'm showing you the whole giant box. Not only that, but I have a swimwear find from Sam's Club that is just incredible. I'm currently wearing one of the sets I just purchased and the price was unbelievable. So not only do I have a huge unboxing for you, but I also want to share with you some of the swimsuits I found because I am super pumped about them and how inexpensive they are. And the quality seems to be amazing. So let me set this box down and I want to show you real quick what the swimsuit looks like as well as the other ones that I have picked up. I'm just going to hold them up for you and I will link them down below in the box and then I will show you what's in here. So I'm going to Hawaii this year and I have found as I have gotten a little bit older that I really just do not like wearing bikinis quite as much as I used to. And I have a couple of really cute ones. Like I got this bikini this year from Target. It's adorable. It's the brand Shade and Shore. And if I can link this one down in the description box, I will. But it just doesn't cover me quite as much as I would like to. It does have this really cool crisscross detail in the back and a lot of flexibility with the straps. But this ensemble, this is more me. And I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna show you the swimsuit. I don't know, I may end up cutting it out, but I'm gonna maybe scoot just a little closer so you don't see my bottom half here and then just show you the top. Okay, so here it is. It's like a twist top swimsuit. I don't know if you can see that. And it's ruched all through here. And it's not super high cut. It has full coverage behind and it is strapless, but it does come with a strap to do a halter look. And when I'm wearing it, I'll probably go ahead and wear it like that. But I just thought this was adorable. It has a little bit of a ruffle on the sleeve. So I did go just a little bit swimsuit crazy at Sam's Club and on their website. On the website, this cover up was completely sold out. So I had to go back to Sam's this morning and pick up one of these, but it's just the exact same style. It's got the ruffle detail on the sleeve and these are rayon, but because of the nature of how they're real gauzy and filmy kind of, I don't think it matters if they're wrinkled. It has a little bit of a ruffle down at the bottom and the pattern of them hides it as well. So I was able to pick up a matching swimsuit for this in this shade right here, this green color. And I thought that would be a good color for me to wear. And it's also strapless like the one I have on. One of my good friends here, Jamie, told me about these suits. Actually, I saw her wearing this combo and this is the exact same thing I have on, just a different print. Same ruffles on the sleeves, but I picked up a different style suit in this print. See, this one has straps and they are adjustable. And these both have removable cups, which actually allow me to fit into them. Like most of the time, all the Target swimsuits are too small in the bust for me, but I do fit in these. I do have some cleavage, but I think that these are super adorable. And this one in particular reminded me of Lily Pulitzer. And the best thing is the price. The suits are $26.99 and the cover-ups are $19.99. And on the Anne Cole website, that's the brand of these, for something similar but in a different pattern, they're like $108 each, which is insanity. I mean, I got both pieces for this for like $50. And on her website, comparable things in a different color palette would be $216. Although she does have a July sale where it's like buy one, get one 40% off right now, but it's nowhere near the price of these. I did think it would be nice to have one black one-piece swimsuit, so I picked up the black one as well. I wasn't really sure whether I should get the strapless version, but since I have this strapless version and the green one that I had to order, I figured I would do the strapped version of the black ruched swimsuit. So I got basically 4 new suits and 3 cover-ups, and I think I only spent about $175 or $185 after tax for all 7 pieces, which is insane. So enough about swimsuits. I know you guys aren't here for suits, but when I find a steal like that, I have to pass it on to you. I don't think you can order them unless you're a member at Sam's Club, but heck, it'd be worth doing a free membership for a month just to be able to get this deal. So let's get into this giant Louis Vuitton box so I can go put it in my garage because I don't need this in my house. But when you order from Louis Vuitton directly, you do get a box, and on the inside it does have Louis Vuitton on it. The outside they try to be really discreet and not say who they're from so that you don't have theft happening, although theft does happen all the time. And as you can see, this is why I wanted to unbox it like this with you. But we do have Kusama wrapping, which I'm not a huge fan of the Kusama collection, but I think the wrapping is really cool. So I'm glad I got a chance to get some, and I'll probably save this bag. Lord knows what I'll do with it. I mean, I save these things and then I don't do anything with them. I guess I have framed a couple of my bags. Like I framed this one. I got this one from the Louis Vuitton store in Hawaii. We were there the year that they did this particular holiday bag, and I just thought that was really pretty. And then when I got a Dior Beauty bag recently, I went ahead and framed it as well. I just thought it looked really pretty and I didn't want to throw it away. I did have to cut both of these to fit them into the frames, but that's okay. I mean, they just make me happy to look at them, and it's not like I'm going to sell them or anything like that. This one, however, is just a little big, so I don't really have any place to hang this in my closet or set it in a corner even. So we'll see. I don't know what I'll do with it. So on to the Louis Vuitton box. Let's see what's in here. Now there was a ribbon wrapped around this, but I went ahead and opened it and checked it out because I did order one of these already, and I'll pop a picture of what I ordered here in just a little bit. But it was in a different color and it came and it was not straight. And I mean, like the alignment was off, and so I mailed that one back. And plus, the color of it, it was just very similar to what I have in my closet. Let me just talk more about that in a minute. Let's see what's in here. It's taken forever to get to this point. So I do have a new Buci bag by Louis Vuitton, and this is in the color Quartz. Now you may remember I had a lot of issues with a bag in a similar color from Gucci. And if you haven't seen those videos about the Gucci Marmont in the same sort of color palette as this bag, I can link them down in the description box. I ended up exchanging that Gucci bag for a green camera bag in the Marmont line. And then I bought a Tory Burch bag in the woven leather, and I decided to part ways with that bag. When I got it out in the light, the way they had sealed the edges of it, it just wasn't, I guess, to my type A personality standards. I think Tory Burch does beautiful work, but that particular one, the way that they'd sealed the edges, I was just worried that it would develop a problem like with peeling, because every single one of those leather edges had glaze on it. And I mean, it was a lot of pieces of leather. So I don't have that bag anymore. It was beautiful, but I got this one in its place. And this is in the color Quartz. And one thing with the Buci you want to make sure of is that it's aligned right. And I'll go ahead and pop a picture of the other one in now. It was in the color Rose Trianon, and I didn't feel like it was lined up very well. However, I did figure out that when you get the bag, you can kind of move it around a little bit. And if it's sitting off center, a lot of times it could be because the D-ring's inside on one side and not inside on the other side. It could be something as simple as that. So don't just send it back right away, but I do like it to be even all the way across the bottom. And I think I have achieved that with this one. I'm excited that this one actually has the sticker on the LV. And so I can choose when to take that off and preserve it being scratch free for just a little longer. The interior of this one is a little bit darker than the one that I have in blue. At least I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is. I think the blue one's lighter. Here's the lining of the Quartz one. So there is a little bit of a difference. So these do come with the snappy strap, Exhibit A. And then of course you can change out the straps because you have D-rings, and I've got a few straps to show you. Surprise, surprise. Zoomoni was kind enough to gift me an insert for this bag, and I picked gray because the bag was cream with silver hardware, and I just thought that would be nice. It does have a pocket on this side and no other pockets, and then of course the bag itself has a pocket. And so that is the layout of the bag, and I really like how these inserts will protect that lighter colored lining, and I just think that they're really well made. And they're definitely a custom fit. One thing I really like about this bag is if you look at the glazing, it's almost in a nude shade instead of being black. And why does that matter to me? I just feel like it makes the bag more neutral. And also on a lot of Louis Vuitton bags, when they have the dark glazing on a light leather, you end up with a little bit of bleeding, especially if the leather is a textured leather. And as you can see here on the side, it's like pebbled. And so then the edges, they tend to bleed over on the top part just a little bit. And I can show you some of that in the future, but doing a lighter color makes those little imperfections, or just, I don't know that they're even imperfections, but what would you call them? I don't know. Where the line of the glazing isn't quite as straight as you might want it to be, it makes it a lot less noticeable when it's in a lighter shade. So I do love that the glazing is in a lighter shade. It's even more noticeable when you look at the strap. You can see it's like a nude shade. I feel like I've shown you this bag already, other than the color. I've tried it on all the ways. I can link my Buci videos for the blue one, the blue Nuage one, down in the description box. But let me go ahead and just try this on with my swimwear. I mean, I do have kind of a lighter color in the pattern, so I think that this bag will pop. There we go. I think that that's really cute. I like it at that length. Of course, the Buci bag has 3 lengths. This video is already getting a little long, so I don't think I'm going to show you like necessarily all 3 lengths, but it has a longer shoulder length, and then you can fully extend it so where the snaps are done up here, and then it is a crossbody. And for me, the crossbody length is just not all that comfortable, so I really prefer it at the shoulder length. Probably the shortest shoulder length is my favorite. However, if I'm gonna wear it with something that's not such a bright, bold pattern, I might decide to put a strap with it that didn't come with it. And these are 2 fabulous options. So the one here on your left, this one is from See-Through Purses. You can pick your hardware color on a lot of the straps there. I'll put my link and a discount code down in the description box. The discount code will get you 30% off. And then this one here, I believe this one's from Amazon. I should be able to find it and link it as well, but it also has the silver hardware, and I like how it has the neutral palette. When I tried on my Buci in the last video I did, which was the 5,000 subscriber giveaway video, I showed it with a thinner strap from Temu, and for most of the smaller bags I have, I do prefer the thinner strap, but I think this pattern is fabulous, and I haven't seen it in the thinner version, so I thought I would just try it on real quick. See, isn't that cute? And the fact that it doesn't have any leather trim on it is sort of a good thing because it doesn't clash with the leather of the bag. One thing I forgot to mention is that the Buci bag does have a back pocket, and I do love that. I originally picked up this strap for my Cassie 19 in the faded blue color, but as you can see, I think it matches this bag very well. This may be its new home. I have so many really cool straps for that faded blue Cassie 19 that I may designate this one for the Louis Vuitton Buci bag in the quartz color. So out of the 2, I think that this one's my favorite. I love the other strap, don't get me wrong, but I prefer that strap on a Longchamp bag that I have. For some reason, those Longchamp extra small bags, they look amazing with the thicker straps, even though they're tiny bags. I think it's because of the way they have the top handle and then they sort of wing out at the sides. It just works aesthetically, but I think the Buci bag looks better with this thinner strap. You can definitely find some awesome thinner straps on seethroughpurses.com, but she does tend to have more of the thicker web strap than the thinner ones. So, I have so much more to show you, but this video is already 20 minutes. Let me talk to you really quick about the giveaway. I'm going to link it down in the description box. I have a lot of people reaching out to me saying that they've been contacted, telling me that they were told that they won. Just like with any giveaway, I have a huge amount of spammers who are pretending to be me, trying to steal money from you. I have not announced the giveaway winner yet. I will do it in a video with my son standing right here with me, just like I've done all of my other giveaways. And then I will reply back to your comment within the giveaway video, ask you to reach out to me at my email address or my Instagram account that I always list down in the description box. There is no other way that I will contact you, and I'm not going to ask you to send me money. So just be aware, if you get contacted by someone pretending to be me, asking you to reach out to them in a different way than those two options that are down in my description box, then it's not me. They even used my picture. They used my name. They just put a little dash in front of it. It looks like me, but it's not me. And I'm deleting them as fast as I can, but I'm sure there'll be some that sneak by me because we have a whole bunch of comments, wonderful comments. Thank you so much for all of your kind words on that video for the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So now that housekeeping is out of the way, I do need to close out. And so if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. That's one way you can contact me. The other way is by email at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. Any other way, it's not me. So if I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.